Hi and welcome to Wafter.com. In this video I am going to show you how to use stickers on your Signal Messenger app. There are two ways that I am going to show. One is the default way where you can go to the sticker section on your app and you can download that. The other way is to visit signalstickers.com to install stickers. So the first one is using the default stickers from your Signal app itself. Let me walk you through on that. So for that, just take your phone and open Signal app. So once you open the app, go to any of the contact and click on the sticker icon on the left. So if you can't see the sticker icon, you'll be on the emoji section. So click on the sticker icon at the right side and you'll be seeing the stickers. So this is a dog sticker which I have right now and I don't have any other. So now click on the plus at the last. So clicking on plus will show you the list of available stickers. So I'm clicking on the cat sticker pack right now. So once you click on the download icon, you will get the sticker pack now. So now you go to the same sticker section and you can see the list of the cat stickers available right now. In the same way, you can also use stickers that you received from your friends. And then moving on to the second method, these are the custom stickers which you can get from signalstickers.com. Now you have to open your mobile browser and go to signalstickers.com. I'm giving the website name in the description below, you can use it. So this is clearly not an official website from Signal app itself. So here they are going to list out different stickers like static and animated stickers as well. So you can go to any of the Signal pack and click on install to use it on the Signal app to share it with your friends. So let me try out one. So here you can see Chinchan's stickers. So this is totally animated one. Just click on the add to Signal button at the top and choose Signal from the option. Now you can see the sticker pack added to your Signal app stickers list, and you can go to the same way, go to the chat option and click on the stickers to see the Chinchan's sticker pack. So you can click on that to send an animated sticker to your friends. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe Wafter.com.